In this video, you will learn how we can add the currency symbol to a value or a cell in Excel. So imagine here, let's look at this situation. Here we have our employee list, and we can see here the following. We have the ID, we have the name, the date of birth, the position, and we have the monthly salary, and of course any notes if necessary. However, here we want to adjust or add a currency symbol. Depending on where you are, by default, Excel will put in the standard currency symbol, which depends on in which country you're residing. However, maybe you don't want that currency. So let's look here. Let me show you a few options. First of all, you could just do the numbers with a comma and 2 decimals, which is this one, or a dot and 2 decimals, basically, as you can see here. Or you can maybe do the currency symbol or the dollar sign here. So once we select this, you can see now we get the currency symbol included. However, as I said, the currency symbol might be not the one you want. So how can you adjust this easily and quickly? You can see here the drop down button or the arrow down. So we select this, and then you can see here by default it's the peso symbol. However, we also have selected the English or the US dollar symbol. So you can select like this. But if it's not here or you're looking for something else, all you have to do is just click here on More Accounting Formats. Once you select that, you can see here at the categories, you can select this, and then you can select any symbol that you need or that you desire. As you can see here, there's a lot of them, and they are even different in letter types if preferred. Once you did that, so let's say any of these, select that, confirm, and then you can see that will be adjusted. Let's do that immediately. Let's try one. We select here, let's say the euro symbol. Alright, select that, confirm, and OK, and there you are. And now you can see we have the euro symbol being displayed here. This is how you can do it. You can select anyone you want. So if you have more questions about Excel or you're struggling with this, just post them in the comment section below. And if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel.